basketball game. Huh? Yeah, no, because we have.
Anong orderin mo, Jeremy?
It's been on the list.
Ha? Jeremy, anong gusto mong orderin, anak?
I could have.
I wanna order the macaroni.
Okay. What about your drinks? What would you like to have for your drinks?
Excuse me, Jara, nalisod ka.
Milk? Okay.
Chili's.
Thank you.
I'm Angela. Hannah's actually going to be your server. She'll be right over. Do you guys want something to drink?
Margarita from Presidente.
Pina colada.
Okay.
And then just water for the kids.
Oh, he wants
Huh?
milk. Milk. Milk ka, Jocelyn?
Just
Milk,
out,
2
2
milk.
milk.
2 milks,
Yeah.
a pina colada, and Presidente. Got it.
Jeremy, Jocelyn, anong o-orderin mo, anak?
I want some macaroni sandwich.
Balik ka rin natin ngayon. Sila ngayon pa-orderin mo, tapos tayo, ano lang, pulutan lang.
Tama pala, ano na lang sila yung...
Hindi, pwede mo naman idagdag yun eh. Kasama naman sa next day. Oo nga, kasama pwede mo naman i-add on yun. Jersley.
Ay, hindi, masarap yung cheese na, alam mo, in-order na yung grilled cheese ng mga bata. Masarap na. Okay, Jara.
No, gusto daw niya macaroni.
Okay. Sige,
Ikaw,
sige,
Jocelyn,
order
what about
tayo.
you?
Ano
Can you look
orderin
at
mo?
the menu and choose your order?
Macaroni and
please?
cheese. Tapos anong sides mo?
Ha?
Vegetable.
Macaroni and cheese. And I said it's milk
Milk
and
and...
then fresh pineapple
Yes.
and then some cinnamon
French fries lang.
apples.
Okay.